This is a demonstration of trend analysis. In trend analysis, what we want to do is we want to compare our statements to a baseline year. And in this case, we're going to use the baseline year of 2010. So notice what I've done is I've highlighted 2010, that it's our baseline year. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our new year divided by our baseline year, times it by 100, or to make it a percent. So let me go down here and I'm going to wipe out all of the solutions so I can demonstrate how those are illustrated. So what we want to do first off is we want to do 2014, our net sales. So let's go down here, we'll plug in our formula, and what we want to do is we want to take our new year, which is 2014, divided by our baseline, which is 2010, and I enter that, and it's 1.6, and we want to make that a percent, so we can multiply it times 100, or it's 116. So what we're looking at is this is 1.16 of what it was in 2010. Now, using the power of Excel, I want to make the baseline year absolute. So I press F4, accept that. And now what I can go in and do is I can take this back across, and notice that what we have is our net sales is 100% of 210. Well, what we're doing is we're taking 2010 divided by 2010, and that becomes it. So we have a little bit of an increase in our net sales in 2011, and that trend continues through 2014. So again, what we can do the same type of thing. I can use the power of Excel, and I can drag this down. So now what I want to do for the goods, I want to take the cost of goods sold of the 34,440 divided by our baseline year. So we go equal sign, the 34,440 divided by the 28,000, which is our baseline, and I'm going to make that absolute, F4. So it's 1.23. Again, if we make that a percent, it's 123%. And I want to now drag that across. And again, notice our cost of goods sold is 100% again in 2010. So we now need to do our general and administrative, equal sign. So I'm going up here to the 10,500 divided by the 9,600. Again, I'm going to make that absolute, so I press F4, accept that, and I want to make that a percent. And again, I can drag it across. Notice again that our general and administrative for 2010 is again 100%. And let's finish with our operating. That what we want to do is equal sign 6,040 divided by our 6,400. I'm going to make that absolute, F4. Accept it. Make it a percent. Now, with 94%, this is something that you want to do to check yourself on this. As we look at our operating income of 60/40 is less than our baseline year, so it should be less than 100%. So this is a caution trend. Our sales were going up, but our income is going down. And part of that reason is we're experiencing more cost of goods sold, and we're experiencing an increase in our general administrative expenses, notice how those have peaked in that year. Let me highlight that so it emphasizes it. Those are some cautions and things that we should look at. Our costs are going higher. Because our costs are going higher, our operating income is actually dropping. So this would be a recommendation that you'd make to your boss. Let me go over that formula again. We took the new year, divided by the baseline, and in this case the baseline was 2010, times it by 100, or convert it to a percent. This again was a demonstration of trend analysis using Chapter 14, Exercise E2A, to demonstrate it.